Ever wondered what a Cash App number actually is? I mean, it's a common term thrown around, but what does it really mean? Is it a phone number? A secret code? Or something entirely different? Let's dive in and uncover the mystery behind this digital enigma. First off, let's clear one thing up. There's no such thing as a Cash App number in the traditional sense. You don't dial it, and it's not associated with a phone line. So, what is it then? Think of your Cash App account as a digital wallet. It's a place to store your money, send it to friends, and even invest. Now, to identify this digital wallet, Cash App assigns you a unique identifier. That's your Cash App handle. Your Cash App handle is usually associated with your phone number for easy setup and verification. But don't confuse the two. Your phone number is used to secure your account and for notifications, while your Cash App handle is the address book entry for your digital wallet. So, why do people call it a Cash App number? It's probably because it's often displayed in a numerical format, like $123. This can be misleading, but it's just a simplified way to refer to your Cash App handle. Now, you might be wondering why you need a Cash App handle at all. Well, it's essential for sending and receiving money. When you want to pay someone, you simply need their Cash App handle. No need for long bank account numbers or complicated payment details. It's quick, easy, and secure. But that's not all you can do with your Cash App handle. You can also use it to build a presence on the Cash App platform. It's like your online identity in the world of peer-to-peer payments. You can share your Cash App handle on social media, business cards, or anywhere you want to make it easy for people to send you money. Let's talk about Cash App tags. These are similar to your Cash App handle, but often include letters and symbols. You can customize your Cash App tag to make it more personal or memorable. It's like choosing a username for your digital wallet. To find your Cash App handle or create a Cash App tag, simply open the app, go to your profile, and look for the appropriate section. It's usually straightforward and easy to navigate. Now, let's address some common questions. Can you change your Cash App handle? Yes, you can, but there might be some limitations. You can usually edit your Cash App tag more freely. Is your Cash App handle private? By default, it's visible to your Cash App contacts. You can adjust your privacy settings if you want to control who can see your handle. Can someone steal your money with just your Cash App handle? Not easily. Your Cash App handle is like your address. It tells people where to send money, but it doesn't give them access to your funds. Cash App has multiple security measures in place to protect your account. With that said, it's always important to protect your account information. Avoid sharing your Cash App handle or login details with anyone you don't trust. And enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. So, there you have it. A Cash App number is actually a Cash App handle, a unique identifier for your digital wallet. It's not as mysterious as it sounds, but it's a crucial part of using Cash App effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.